Ever found yourself marveling at the breathtaking views from a Miradouro, or zipping through the charming streets of Lisbon in a tuk-tuk? Picture this. A day begins with the sun rising over the Tagus River, casting a warm glow over the city. You're sitting in a tuk-tuk, a three-wheeled motorized vehicle, the most fun and unique way to explore Lisbon's 7 hills. The engine hums, the city awakens, and off we go on an adventure. First stop, the Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. As the tuk-tuk chugs up the steep hill, anticipation builds. And then, there it is. A panorama of Lisbon sprawling below, a breathtaking sight that has you reaching for your camera. Next, the tuk-tuk whisks you away to Miradouro de Santa Lúcia. The scent of blooming wisteria fills the air. The blue and white azulejos, traditional Portuguese tiles, shimmer in the sunlight. From here, the view of the Alfama district, with its labyrinthine streets and terracotta roofs, is simply stunning. The day unfolds, each Miradouro offering a different perspective, a new delight. From the modern cityscape visible from Miradouro do Parque Eduardo VII, to the dramatic vistas of the castle and the river from Miradouro da Graça, the city reveals itself in all its glory. As the tuk-tuk navigates narrow alleys, climbs steep hills, and buzzes through bustling squares, you're not just observing the city, you're living it. The wind in your hair, the sun on your face, the thrill of exploration. This is what it means to truly experience Lisbon. The day ends with a final ride to Miradouro de Santa Catarina. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold, you're left with a sense of awe. The city twinkles below, the river gleams, and you're left with memories of a day spent exploring Lisbon in the most fun way possible. To summarize, the fun of this adventure lies not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. Exploring Lisbon's Miradouros in a tuk-tuk is an experience like no other. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of seeing the city from different perspectives, and the unique charm of traversing the city in a tuk-tuk. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious wanderer, a day spent exploring Lisbon's Miradouros in a tuk-tuk is sure to be an unforgettable journey. From the breathtaking vistas to the charming streets, from the scent of blooming flowers to the hum of the tuk-tuk, Lisbon awaits to be discovered, one Miradouro at a time.